Normally, pepper soup is an appetizer, but when we want to have it as a main meal, we eat it with a staple food such as boiled white rice, or we add a staple food such as yam when preparing it. We will need assorted beef. I'll be using the fleshy part of beef such as tenderloin, then kidney, heart, and cow tripe. For the rest of the ingredients, we have scent leaves, which is Nchuanwu. I'm using frozen Nchuanwu. Use fresh ones if you have it. Seasoning cubes, beef flavor, habanero pepper or scotch bonnet pepper. I'm adding one because this pepper is quite hot. Add pepper according to your tolerance level. Calabash nutmeg is what gives pepper soup its unique taste and flavor. Onions and sweet white puna yam. Peel and grind the ehu with a dry mill. Peel and cut the yams into medium cubes. And slice the onions and the pepper. Cut the meats into bite sizes. Since the different parts of the beef do not cook at the same time, we will start cooking the toughest part, which is cow tripe first, followed by the flesh, and last the heart and kidney. In this pot, we have cow tripe, the seasoning cubes, and one sliced onion. Add water to cover the contents of the pot and start cooking on medium heat. Keep an eye on it and top up the water when necessary. And we want to add the other main ingredients at the appropriate times, such that by the time the cow tripe is done, all the other ingredients will be done as well. After half an hour, we add the fleshy part of beef. Add the ground calabash nutmeg and continue cooking. After 15 minutes, we add the heart and the kidney because these two have the same cooking times. Add the second onion and the yam cubes. Top up the water to about the same level as the contents of the pot. Add salt and continue cooking till the yam is soft and a little bit of porridge starts to form. This should take about 15 minutes. Add the pepper, the scent leaves, cover and cook for about 2 minutes and it's done. Yum!